So hello my dear students, today in this class we have to discuss about the commutative property for rational number. Okay, in earlier class we have already studied about the commutative property for whole numbers, natural numbers and integers. Okay, now in this class we have to study about the commutative property for rational numbers. Okay, these are rational numbers and these are the some examples of rational numbers. Okay, minus 2 by 3 it is a rational number, 5 by 7 it is a rational number, minus 3 by 8 it is also a rational number. Okay, so rational number means the p and q are the any integers. These integers write in the form of p divided by q and q is not equal to 0. This is called as a rational number. Is it right? So let's check the commutative property for rational number. Okay, this is first operation, addition. Okay, see here, a it is also a rational number plus b it is also a rational number is equal to b plus a plus b is equal to b plus a. So now I have to take here a is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus b is equal to 5 by 7, 5 divided by 7 is equal to b is a 5 divided by 7 plus a is equal to minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 3. Is it right? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. So here a plus b is equal to b plus a. So let's check here. Okay, a plus b, minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3. Is it right? Minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to minus 7. Divided by 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3 is equal to here. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Right? So into here 7 and into 3. So 2 7s are 14 minus 14 plus 5 3s are 15. So here therefore 1 divided by 21. 1 divided by 21. So here this is the left hand side. So next right hand side, here 21 LCM into 3 and here into 7. So 15 plus minus 2 into 7 minus 14. So therefore here plus 15 minus 14 is equal to 1 divided by 21. So here the left hand side is equal to right hand side. 1 divided by 21 is equal to 1 divided by 21. Is it right? So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So right here 1 divided by 21 is equal to 1 divided by 21. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So remark is the addition is a commutative for rational numbers. Is it right? Addition, right? Addition is a commutative for rational number. Or rational numbers. Is it right? Addition is a commutative for rational numbers. You take another one example of addition operation. Okay, this is one example, and you can take another one example for addition. Okay, see here, minus 3 divided by 8 and 1 plus 1 divided by 7 is equal to 1 divided by 7 plus minus 3 divided by 8. This is a plus b is equal to b plus a. Is it right? A plus b is equal to b plus a. And this is minus 3 divided by 8 is a and 1 divided by 7 is a b. is equal to 1 divided by 7 plus minus 3 divided by 8. Here the LCM of 8 and 7, the 56. 56. So here into 7 and here into 8. Is it right? So minus 21 plus 8 is equal to the LCM of 7 and 6. It is also at 56. Then here into 8 and here into 7. So here 8 plus minus 21. Here minus 21 plus 8. So here minus 21 plus 8. So therefore here 11 minus 8 3. Is it right? 11 minus 8 3. So 1 is here, 2 minus 1 1, and the greater value sign is minus. So minus 13. Minus 13. Is it right? Minus 13. Minus 13 divided by 56 is equal to, here also minus 13 divided by 56. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear? So our remark is the addition is a commutative for rational numbers. Addition is a commutative for rational numbers. Now next we have to check the next operation is subtraction. Okay. See here, a minus b is equal to b minus a. So here 1 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 7. See here, a minus b is equal to b minus a. So what is the value of a here? 1 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 7. Then the LCM of 7 and 2, 14 into 2 here and here into 7. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 7. Is it right? Next here the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14 into 7 here, and next here into 2. Is it right? So here 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Is it right? Next here minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 14 is equal to 7 minus 2 5. So plus 5. 5 divided by 14. And minus 5 divided by 14 is equal to 5 divided by 14? No. Right? Because the minus 5 divided by 14 is not equal to plus 5 divided by 14. Therefore, here the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. See here, right? Minus 5 divided by 14 is not equal to 5 divided by 14. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Is it right? So our remark is the subtraction is not a commutative for rational number. Is it right? Subtraction is not a commutative. Subtraction is not a commutative for rational numbers. Rational numbers. Is it right? So please note down this tabular column, and next we have to discuss about the multiplication and division. Okay. So let's note down this chart. So now we have discussed about the multiplication. Okay, the commutative property of multiplication for rational numbers. Okay, so here A into B is equal to B into A. Okay, so take A is equal to 1 by 2 and into B is equal to 3 by 5. B is equal to 3 divided by 5 into A is equal to 1 divided by 2. Is it right? So see here, 1 into 3, 3 divided by 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 divided by 5 into 2, 10. So therefore here 3 divided by 10 is equal to 3 divided by 10. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then our remark is the multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Is it right? See here. Multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Is it right? Next, we have to check the operation of division. A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Okay. So next here I take the value of A is 1 divided by 7 because 1 by 7 is also a rational number. Is it right? So divided by 2 by 3. B is equal to 2 by 3 is equal to what is the value of B? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is divided by 1 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7. So check here. 3 into 1, 3. So here 3. Next 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 2, 14 is equal to 7 into 2, 14 divided by 3 into 1, 3. So see here, okay, compare 3 divided by 14 and this is 14 divided by 3. So both are rational numbers, but is not equal to each other. It is not equal to each other. That's why here this is a left hand side. Is not equal to right hand side. Is not equal to right hand side. So our remark is therefore division is not a commutative for which number? Rational number. That's right. Rational numbers. That's right. So this is the commutative property for rational numbers. Okay. So we shall stop here, and in the next class we have to discuss about the addition. Okay, next property of this rational numbers. Okay, so please note down this tabular column in our homework book. Okay, thank you.